Let us now meet the players from both teams. First, for the Comelec Vanguards. Beginning with number 1, Yap Salazar. Number 5, Jimuel Lamukatkat. Number 6, Jello Morilla. Number 8, Danny Pribdas. Number 9, Brian Ramirez. Number 10, Vince Curador. Number 12, Janel Fajardo. Number 16, Jay Ramel. Number 19, Lester Molion. Number 20, Aljon Ongria. Number 22, Ming Distancia. Number 28, Ken Isik. And number 41, Francis Guiriba. Coaching the Comelec Vanguards is attorney John L. Fajardo. And now please welcome the NHA Home Masters. Beginning with number 0, Mark Valdez. Number 1, Derek Dizon. Number 3, Chester Chen. Number 6, Tonton Lusnestica. Number 7, Aljon Ramos. Number 11, Dave Dorregoza. Number 12, Kenneth Clemente. Number 13, Leonard Reyes. Number 18, Ralph Dibay. Number 20, Jerry Prado. Number 22, Marvin Mercado. Number 24, Yam Vasallo. Number 30, Mel Dibay. And number 82, Eboy Sumaya. Head coach of the Home Masters is Chico Lanete. Let's now meet the starting lineups for both teams. First, for the Comelec Vanguards. Starting at point guard number 28, Ken Isik. 2 guard number 6, Jello Morilla. Small forward number 5, Jimuel Lamukatkat. Another forward number 20, Aljon Ongria. And at center number 10, Vince Curador. And now the starters for the NHA Home Masters. Starting point guard number 12, Kenneth Clemente. Shooting guard number 6, Tonton Lusnestica. Small forward number 1, Derek Dizon. Power forward number 24, Yam Vasallo. And at center number 13, Leonard Reyes. Our officials for this ball game, Alan Manzano, Hedrick Chico, and Zen Manansala. Comelec versus NHA. This is the UNTV Cup Season 11. Win in sports, win for charity.
Okay, the first of 3 games today is all set to get underway, and the first possession, Comelec, first attack, first foray, first miss, first rebound. Everything is the first in the first quarter, and in the meantime, we have the pass to the wing. That will not work. Follow up, no. And the rebound gives us a chance to send it to Rina. Rina, go.
Yeah, it's time to pedal on the gas for the NHA Home Masters. It's time to start winning games para sa kanilang koponan. They have 4 more games left dito sa ating first round. Today's ball game against the Comelec is a crucial one for them. And then next year, they will face against the DOJ, BJMP, and the GSIS. But not to overwhelm themselves, they want to take it 1 ball game at a time. Kanina, before the start of this ball game, nakausap ko rin si Coach Chico Lanete at aminado siya na nahihirapan talaga yung kanyang koponan na makapag-adjust doon sa kanyang sistema. Adjusting to the new system will take months or even years, but that's not a reason for them not to be able to do well for this ball game. He just reminded the boys, you have to trust the system and just do the small things here like boxing out, communication, and enjoying this ball game. Sir Sev, Coach Ronnie.
Maraming salamat, Rina Villamor. In the meantime, 2 bounds from the wing produces the score. I think it's 2 3-pointers. It's now 6-0.
Magandang simula para sa Home Masters.
If I'm not mistaken, Lusnestica yung dalawang tres na yun. I will confirm. Naguluhan ako doon sa pangalawa eh. Samantala, tres, wala ito.
Ito na ang best start para sa NHA sa kanilang mga laro. Kadalasan, maagang naiiwan ito. Sabi nga ni Coach Chico, it takes a lot of time to get the process done. 7 years to tangan ni Coach Bennett Palad.
Eh, yun yung college programs, 4 or 5 years na, hindi pa rin makuha eh, no? Lalo na sa sports niya. Palit ng palit ang mga player. Lipat ng lipat. Okay. Lamukatkat trying to keep it in play. And it will be retained by the Home Masters.
No more Vitug. No more Coach Bennett Palad. And a lot of players have also...
Parang confirm mo nga sa akin, si Valdez lang ang natitirang urig.
Meron pa sir, Sumayang.
Okay.
Sumayang.
Si Lusnestica later on na sumali yan eh.
Mercado sir.
Mercado hindi rin original yan eh.
Di ba original dyan sir? Di ba?
Hindi. Pustahan tayo. Isang popcorn.
Clemente sir.
Sige.
Tibay Brothers.
Tibay, oo. Pero yung Valdez, oo. Yung Mercado hindi. Parang second season sumali sa Mercado. Anyway, so much for history. In the meantime.
Hindi si Eddie Mercado yan, sir.
Hindi, pagbayaan mo na yung nananahimik na yung lolo mo.
Idol ko yun, sir.
Oo, galing talaga. Oh, Tres!
Isik, Ramirez, Moralio, excellent guards.
Isik. Wala pang panalo tong Comelec. Ang Comelec ang maraming panalo.
3-1, sir.
Ang walang panalo pala, NHA. Rebound, pinaglalabanan. Kaya naman pala energetic. Namukatkat is open. 3. No? Rebound, pursuit on the floor, Clemente.
OG yan.
Lustestica. Hindi rin Origian, Lustestica. Under the basket we go.
One of new players, several new players to open up season 11 para dito sa Home Masters.
Naku, kasikip May foul na tinawag.
Si Mungria, one of the best bigs that we have seen here this season.
Lustestica with his first foul and the first foul of the NHA. Inbound from the baseline. Shot clock of 14. Aurelia nearly lost it there. You're trying to play post there. Aurelia thought of a three, opting to go to the shorter jumper from closer range.
1, 2, 3, 4. On the fourth pass, somebody quite open. Corridor up to the task. Short corner conversion. Down to 3. Kalamangan ng Home Masters.
Malaki itong Comelec,
Saka mabibilis yan, sir. Yung mga gwardiya, mahuhusay.
Kapag nagka-eleksyon, baka mawala ng team ito.
Easy, sir, no?
Oo, wala yan. Ano yan? Kasi nationwide, no? Ang challenging ng trabaho ng Comelec. Okay, they run the elections, all the problems and everything. Then later on, after the elections, walang gustong tumanggap na talo sila. Diba?
Recount.
Oo, walang tigil yan. Namukatkat, delivers, and we are tied at 8.
3-point baskets para sa Home Masters kanina. May ganting 2 tres para dito sa team ng Comelec. Tabla tayo at 8 all.
May foul yata. Curador is called for that foul. Both sides have been whistled for a team foul already. Into the corner. Hititira ni Antonio. Namintis lang. At ang bola pupunta sa kabila.
Di lang basta na mintis.
Ilang beses nag-MVP si Antonio? 2.
2.
Down the middle. Oh, close range. Comelec moving the ball well.
Miscommunication. Defensive breakdown. Down 6, up 2. On their own version of a 10-2 run.
Naman dapat makuha ni NHA yung intensity ni Chico Lanete pag naglalaro. Saka pagka titira ng tres yan, buong-buo ang loob yun. Ay, pasa mali. Namukatkat. Sides.
Wow.
Oh, hindi lang pumasok. Ganda, no?
Hirap yun.
Kaya mo yun?
Siyempre hindi.
Kahit nung bata ka, bagay hindi mo ginagawa yun. No?
Maiksi lang hakbang ko, sir eh. Sakang lang ako.
Si Elmer Reyes lang talaga. Pero si Elmer madalas na. Kasi nakakapanibago. Natatawagan ng traveling noon.
Marami pa kasi mga bansa nisan na walang kailangan ng visa.
Wala pang internet noon. Walang nanonood.
Wala pang reciprocity.
Wala. Kaya kailangan nila traveling. Pero kuminsan mo. 10-8. Balik tayo after this.
Tawag nyo 2. Okay? Corner. Okay lang kahit nag-extend to. Okay lang, wag nyo habulin. Ang problema, ang maganda dito, pag ito lumabas, tingnan nyo to. Pag ito nag-help, ito yung screen. Itong pasa. Okay?
Dalawa lang yan, ha?
Now, pag tumanggap kayo ng bola, wag nyo lumayo. I-lock nyo. Baon nyo, tapos lock. Tapos ask for the ball. Okay? Tapos safety. Ang bilis ng bola nila.
And the NHA, a team in search of its first win, losing in 3 starts, while my mistake earlier, Comelec has won 3 of their 4. 3. No. And the ball bounces away. It will go to NHA.
Ito na si Sumayang.
O, isa pa yan, veterano. Hiniwa yung gitna. Reyes hits his second basket.
Nice. Starting in lieu of Marvin Mercado. He's coming off the bench.
Ganda ng pagkakabasa ng pasa na yan. Layup na kung kinapos ng elevation. Follow up. Well done.
Good track down on the part of Sumayang.
Nawala ng buwelo. Yung take-off na yun. Libre. Naku, pinasa sa kanan. Pinasa sa kabila. Namukat ka. Ayaw. And here's Dizon slowing it down. Sumayang. Touch passing. Corner shot. Ayaw.
Has to take more shots with the departure of Bitog from the roster.
Ang nabibigay kasi ni Bitog sa kanila was the capacity to slash the defense.
To score at will. He'll take questionable shots at times, but
Well, he was the...
it is what it is when it comes to Bitog.
Oh, wala. You learn to live with that. And in the meantime, Mercado is trying to get in, but the officials are sorting out something along the sideline.
Technical. NHA Home Masters number 24, Yam Vasallo for unsportsmanlike behavior.
And we have a technical. He probably said something that he will probably think about up to tonight. So Isik will shoot the T. Sa mundo ng FIBA, everything is tagged under the general umbrella of unsportsmanlike. Whether foul, you complain excessively, start something that's not needed on a basketball court.
Bago rin to, sir.
Sino?
Chen. Meron Chan sa Ombudsman, meron Chen sa NHA, meron Ko sa Food Masters.
Kakatawa nga ang evolution ng Chinese names. May Ko na K-O-H. Ko.
Tama.
Meron Ko.
Aha. Meron tayo nun, sir, sa AFP. Aha.
Meron, may commissioner tayo.
Tama.
Corner, wala. Ang daming mintis ng NHA, ha? Tatlo na yan.
Dito lang sa amin ni Sir Seb, walang may pangalan.
Walang silbi mapa.
Kaya hirap na hirap kayo
Pero
magsulat.
pero ang daming magsanok na hindi mo kamag-anak, ano?
Malamang kamag-anak ko yun, sir.
Malamang.
Oo.
Yung editor ng Inquirer.
Kamag-anak ko, sir, yung husband niya, si Dr. Magsana.
Si Ma'am Letty.
Yung mayayaman, sir, hindi ko kamag-anak yan.
Ano naman mabuti na yung malina.
Yung mapuputi, sir, kamag-anak yan.
Ni Rina.
Nung pinsan namin.
Okay. Dizon will sit down. May mga season, si Dizon injured yan eh.
Saka lumipis na yung katawan niya, sir, di ba?
Kahit si Valdez, ang laki ng nireject.
Si Mercado, sir, laki ng pinayat.
Mukha pinagod ni Chico to sa workout. Chen,
tough shot.
Yes,
shot.
But he knew it was going in eh.
And as they say, ni hao ma.
Talagang alam niya eh, yung bitaw niya with confidence eh.
So this is already a
3-point lead.
6-1 run, sir. After the score stood at 10-8. Tumimeout sila. Ay ayos ni Chico.
Curador gets lured into committing his second personal foul.
Ito naman kasing NHA, sir, is a much better team compared to their win-loss record. No doubt.
Why do you say that?
Hindi naman sila pang 0-3 talaga, sir, eh.
Oo nga eh.
Naninibago lang talaga.
Oh! The head also hit the hardwood. Basalya. Magsak na yung likod ha, tapos yung ulo kumalabog eh. One replay lang tayo ha.
Taas nung kuha, sir.
Ayan o. Ayan o, yung ulo. But he seems to be clear-headed for now, pero may agyo yan.
Meron yan, sir.
Yun lang utog sa umaga pag madaling araw. Ihilo-hilo ka pa.
Maski sa gabi, sir.
Oo nga, madaling araw naman yung pinag-uusapan ko eh. Yan ang oras namin mga lolo eh.
Kasi sir, sa akin, madaling araw at sa kagabi, pareho lang.
Pareho lang.
Bakit ka mo?
Bakit?
Gabi pa lang, sir. Natarapi ka. Di madaling araw na yun.
Ayaw mo na uwi.
Madaling araw ka lumakad. natarapi ka buong araw. Gabi na yun.
Mercado gives them a 5-point lead. Time is down to 2:54.
8-1 run.
Ay.
The worst thing that can happen to Comelec right now is to overlook ang team ng Home Masters. Mahirap.
Ming Distancia with the turnover, and he apologizes to his teammates. We're going to take a break for a timeout. Don't go too far away.
Adjustment sa defense. Gusto nila yung 2. Di ba naka-1-2 tayo? So ito, pag-apa, nag-dribble and 3. Ito, lamaba na. So gagawin namin, iyan ang mangyayari. Dribble and 3, walang pasa, pero mag-2-3 na tayo. Basta yung 2-play nila.
Balik na tayo sa 2-3.
Basta yung 2-play nila. Hindi, okay lang coach, 1-2-2. Pero pag nag-2 sila, mag-dribble and 3 lang yung kaliwa o kanan. Kukuha pa din. Okay? Sa'yo pa rin yung 1.
Ingat sa corners.
Pre, ganito, sa kumpensa, okay lang magbagal kayo pag nagsiset. Huwag kayong mataranta pa nagpapasahan. Relax kayo sa pasahan. Hindi ko kayo nagpapasahan, di ba?
Our very first game of 3 scheduled here at the Amurato Arena here in Quezon City for the 11th season of the UNTV Cup rolls along. It's the NHA in blue. Chen hit a shot earlier. Can't hit one in this third try of his.
Malaking tulong rin yung pagpasok ni Chen, sir. Bigyan nagkaroon ng perimeter scoring.
Yeah. Medyo tumaiten up yung depensa ng NHA. Hindi na ganun ka-loose yung mga gaps sa kanilang depensa. Mercado is called for the foul. That'll be his fourth. The team's fourth, rather.
Corredor out, Maulion in. Smaller unit plus Ramirez, who is the best 3-point shooter. Para dito sa Comelec, also inside.
So Lester Maulion all set for the second. His team down by 5 as of the moment with 2:23 remaining. Drops the second free throw, cuts the lead down to 4. And on the NHA side, Reyes returns. And Comelec will try to bring up the defense with a press here. Here's Prado, one of the old ones. Oh, nice move by Mercado.
Smart.
Hindi niya, alam niyang hindi papasok yung unang pukul eh. Napulot sa ilalim ni Reyes. They kept to set it up.
Prado, OG rin yan.
OG nga. Mercado. Shot clock down to 0.
That's excellent.
You know, Chico has been so disappointed with the inability of his players to go for it, shoot it.
Maganda kasi yung transition defense.
When we were covering Chico Lanete, he's a gunner. He's not afraid. Di ba may kapatid yan na naglaro din? High-five rin.
Gabo.
Yata, libre. Ayaw nang tumama. Takbo. Sumayang. Chen. Can he make it twice? Yes, he does. Chen now 2 out of 4 from the field.
Makakaya natin ipakita. May kasama, sir. 3 sa taas.
Wow.
Sabay-sabay.
Wow.
Big run here para dito sa Home Masters after being down at 10-8.
And ang daming empty possessions itong Comelec. Hindi na gumalaw sa 12.
Parang nanggigigil eh.
Oo.
10-8 kanina yan. 2 free throws na lang ang sumunod pagkatapos nung siguro mga halos 4 na minuto na.
Tagal niyan. Medyo ramdam mong nanggigigil nga.
Gigil. Samantalang points of the bench ay maayos na binigay nitong si Chen.
Nice
points
pass.
lang ba si Chen?
Huli. Oo, 2 pukol. Isang dos kanina, isang tres. Kung minsan nakakatsamba itong kasama natin.
Bisita yan, sir eh.
Ganun.
Pero kung may turon yan,
Iba. Mas
OG yan.
mas madulas yung hawak sa keyboard niyan pag may turon. Turon ang susi, ha?
Turon saka Chargers, sir. Turon Chargers.
Alam.
Doon kami naglaro ni Benji Paras dati, sir.
Saan?
Turon Chargers.
Yan ang pangalan team nyo?
Yes, sir.
Bakit turon?
Paglabas namin sa school, may turon na eh. Yun ang pinakamura, sir.
Ay, nako. Offensive foul.
Pangalawa na yan.
Foul.
Kailangan natin ang turnovers.
Marami.
3 lang. Pero offensive foul, 2. So, bali 5 na, sir.
Ang daming miss. So,
Ay,
parang
nga.
ramdaman mo, parang turnovers eh.
4 lang ang field goal, sir. 4 ang sablay.
Di ba?
Sa 14 ang sablay. Sa 4 na field goals, 2 dun 3.
Pukol. Ayaw pumasok si Prado. Sa ilalim. May foul.
On Maul yun. I don't think Maul.
Mercado.
Oh,
Mercado.
wow.
Mercado.
That's his second.
Kuminsan yung mga big men, hindi maiwasan, talagang tutulak. Minsan kasi box out. Naku, ang daming mintis, ha?
No field goals in the last 5 minutes.
Masyado matagal ang tawag dyan, drought at impasse.
Ang tawag dyan, mahirap mag-book.
Oo. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon.
Ano ba yun, sir? Nagka-cancel?
Kasi sa traffic. So let's say 15 minutes away, kung minsan ika-cancel.
Nag-aantay ka na.
Kaya kung minsan sasabi ko, don't cancel.
Pwede mong sabihin yun.
Hulog. Yes. Reyes.
That was Prado with that excellent drop on the press break.
Reyes has contributed 6 points for the cause of the NHA here today. Reyes started here today, and we have a substantial lead of 8 points by the NHA here in the first quarter. Back with the Sid, the NHA in blue, leading at the top of the second quarter. They will go with the unit made up of Jerry Prado. Reyes is there, number 11. Torregoza is on the floor for the first time. Chen has had a hot hand, and Sumayang is their point guard. Sa kabilang panig, they will return Corredor to the floor. And number 41, this is Guriba, seeing action for the first time. Number 20, Hungria, and the others as we sail along. Rina has an update for the second quarter. Go, please.
Yes, on the other side of the court, this has been a good first round para sa koponan ng Comelec team. 3-1 sa team standings. Malaking bagay dito yung mga bagong nadagdag sa kanilang koponan like Danny Pribdaz and Aljan Hungria. both former Growling Tigers who contributes a lot for the team, no? Of course, wala pa rin dito si Danny Pribdas, still missing in action dahil nagkaroon nga siya ng MCL sprain on their first game of the Comelec team here, and will be back in action by January. In that last huddle, ang sinabi lang sa Comelec is that tiwala naman yung kanilang coaching staff na makakahabol sila sa larong ito. They have to play fast here. Magbaman-to-man sila dito sa second quarter, pero dapat maiwasan nila dito yung mga fouls nila. Also, anytime now, they're also expecting the presence of Chairman George Erwin Garcia, who confirmed his attendance for this ball game. Back to you guys.
Salamat, Rina. There's a basket from the wing that continues to extend the lead of the NHA to its biggest now at 11. Open shot that will not bite for Ramirez. Curador doesn't get a defensive foul. Looked like a bit like a flop, actually. Yeah, I thought so.
20 attempts, 16 field goals missed para sa Comelec. Yan ay hindi partial and unofficial. Factual yan.
Here's Ramirez, who missed a shot earlier. Curador into the post. Reyes is all over him. Double team, gobbles him up. Whoa, clean. That's clean. They didn't get the foul. Distancia scores.
First field goal since the 5-minute mark of the initial quarter. Let's see if that will get Comelec started. That was courtesy of Isik. Sorry, Distancia.
Distancia. Ito si Prado hit a long one earlier. Turnaround shot. Short this time. Here comes Comelec. Vanguards tried to slow it down. Tried to get a little more organized there. Estancia directing operations. Estancia says, titira ko to. Nice inside pass. Return pass. That basket will work.
That's the mystery of basketball. Almost for one full quarter, seems like it was something covering the rim. And then afterwards, parang butas na butas naman, gabat siya.
And here comes a possibility of a 6-0 run and the foul given up by Chen.
Good prevention coming from Chen. Could have been a sure 2. And the lead down to 5 had he not given up that last foul.
So with the score at 24-17, it's called, I thought so.
Chester Chen. Category 3, unnecessary contact to stop the progress of transition. That's it.
Alam mo, hindi ko sinasabing mababa ang level ng Chen, ha? Pero kung minsan paglarong scrimmage, papaulin mo para hindi mo score. Tapos ganyan, pag may referee na at may tournament, ano siya hindi pwede yung foul. Parang sa PBA, ano siya no?
Take foul.
Take foul. Transition. Breakaway foul pa nga nung sa NBA.
Inabot ko sa yung backcourt foul.
Yun, maganda yun.
Tuwan-tuwa ako nun
Pala yung free throw mo.
Basta nakita ko na napasundot sir, babanggain ko na.
Tapos susundot sila, foul.
Automatic.
Foul.
So madaling pumunta sir.
Nakapahinga ka pa sa free throw. Sabi na ba
Mape-penalty pa sila maaga.
Ramirez, ayaw tumama. Rebound, pinaglalabanan.
Bago rin yan sir, si Ramos.
Mercado using Curador as a fulcrum. Gets it back, pulls up.
Persistence written all over the face of Mercado.
And the wrist action creating the ricochet action on the rim. Nice pass to the post. That could have been traveling. Oh!
Wow.
Wow, what a shot.
First time I've seen that shot in the history of the UNTV Cup.
Flying carpet move, ha?
Mahirap nun, sir.
Mahirap yan.
Pinakita yung kape nung lumanding gatos.
Parang Vietnam no? Kondensado.
Drip coffee. Hindi naman ako uminom ng kape.
Alam ko yun. Naku, may kumakapit sa tuhod.
Comelec Vanguard.
Palagay ko ito muna yung contact siguro. Naku, tuhod.
Sa tuhod.
Yeah, katok-katok. So, score, 26-20. Arjun prepares for his second. And taking his sweet time. Can't make the second free throw. 27-20 tally. Ramirez. Kanina pa, pining for a basket! Nails a three-pointer that cuts the lead down to 4.
I'll say this again as a matter of fact. He is the best three-point shooter para dito sa Comelec and one of the best here in Season 11.
No wonder he kept on trying. Here's Dizon. Dizon attacks the baseline. Here's Mercado. He'll do this. It's a pass out at the last moment. It falls off the iron. There's a lot of contact.
And a lot of people inside with no 3-second violation.
I think they now make the foul call.
Oh, number 1, Derek Dizon. His first personal 2 on the home masters.
Reyes is going out. And number 24 for NHA returns, who got conked on the noggin, back of his head earlier.
Noggin, sir?
I have no idea. I will give you the history very soon. Wait, halftime.
Diba sa Alisar galing sa PITC yan?
Oo nga.
Sila ni
Coach
Macabasco.
Coach ni, sino yung coach?
Si Vic Icasiano. Wow, excellent back to the basket move by Namukatkat. Ala Abe King. The fade away.
Si Abe King ang kaisa-isang player nakita kong ang galing sa fade away layup.
Ang taas tumalon.
Fade away na layup pa. Uy, nawala ang bola. Pero they'll retain it.
Ganda ng pangalan niya, no, sir, no? Pang superstar talaga.
Sino?
Abe King. Abe King.
Abraham siya, no?
Talaga, sir?
Hindi ko alam. Magandang tanong. Nice dish. Late ang tira. Dapat tinira na. That works.
Nice. Smart. Yung decision making talaga, napakalaking bagay.
Oo, sobra. Ramos now with 3 points.
Ito yan, sir. Dadaan ka ba rito o mag-waze ka?
That hindi na salaw.
Ititira mo ba? Ipapasa mo.
Ano ba talaga, ate? Guriba, unable to catch it.
Hindi na ate ngayon, sir, Auntie.
Mercado will not do anything much from there. Wants something to happen. He wants to drive. He will find a room.
Nice stopper step. Escorador could not take out that strong side, which is right.
When he's patient, good things happen for him. Oh, that'll work. This is an acrobat.
Okay.
This guy can twirl in the air. Uriba.
Yes. Two spectacular shots coming from Guriba. Guriba.
That's a noisy NHA bench. There's a foul on the player who's on the floor. That's Guriba.
Simple lang ang nangyari, sir. Sinagasaan ni Dizon.
Time out to NHA. We'll be right back.
Pag ni-reverse, down screen. Bigay. Now, 3. Back pick. Now, solo ni Marvin yan. Pagkapasa ng 4, screen away. Pag ito, nag-switch, roll. Pag wala, go Marvin. Pag walang nangyari Marvin, it's either pasa, motion na tayo.
Okay, one muna tayo, coach.
Okay, makasaysayang second quarter dahil umarangkada na ang Comelec. Nung matapos po ang unang yugto, first quarter, ang score nun ay 21-13. Corner, libre, ganda na setup. Lustes to come back on the floor, won't get the friendly bounce. And the rebound claimed by the Comelec. Here's Guriba. Oh, look at him fly!
Definitely a catalyst off the bench. Lead is just down to 2 from a high of a double-digit spread for the Masters.
Nice dipsy-do. (16-10) edge scoring-wise for the Comelec here in the second, which is now down to 3 minutes and 4. Guriba has been one of the main architects of this energetic comeback by the Comelec. Bison missing his first free throw. Second game natin, battle between two teams that have yet to taste victory in the tournament. That's the Greyhounds going up against the DOJ. Interesting na, DOJ at saka Bureau of Prisons.
Ano yun, sir? Magkatuwang. Yung DOJ kasi, sir, nawala ng mga players.
Yeah, exactly. That's a reach-in. Clearly so. Third team foul. Aljon Ramos. Morelia directing floor operations. Namokotkot picking it up, trying to backpedal.
Wow.
Nice dish.
Wow.
And Goriba, a willing recipient.
Namokotkot, when he started playing here in the Unity Cup, was exclusively playing as a big man. Now has translated this game to a small forward spot. Pero makita mo yung kakayahan as a big man with that back to the basket move and that excellent pass.
And the lead has now been dissolved to just 1 point. That's
yan ba yun? What about that namukatkat pass? Ayan.
Yung
1-2 dribbles, perfect time. 1,001, 1,002 for that rear cut underneath the basket.
nice pass. Ang ganda ng pass niya.
Ang matawag doon, sir?
Shovel pass.
That's a good call. I like Giriba. Plays really strong for his size.
Saka creative.
Tawag ko dyan, sir, Mediin.
Ganun.
Mediin. At pag ikaw ay nabangga,
Giba. Backward pa rin tayo.
Okay na sana sumundot pa. Ubus ng oras.
Oo Number 6. Morelia ba yan?
Morelia, sir. And one of the better rebounding guards that we have.
So Jello, Morelia, and company have now entered the penalty. And Ramos will shoot free throws. NHA is already in the lead. Still in the lead, that is. And still in the lead.
12 second quarter points para sa NHA.
Mas marami yung isa.
18 para sa Comelec.
Siguro iba, 6 yata doon.
8, sir.
8.
Lahat, puro mga pasalok yung tira.
Walang diretso no?
Wala. Panjalato.
Pukol. Muntik na.
Foul in transition. 2 free throws coming up.
Okay, free throws tayo. Unang free throw. Ayaw.
(34-31). Bumagal ang talaan. Kanina nakakatakbo rito ang Comelec. Esmuski.
35-31. A minute and 37 before the first half comes to an end.
Sana wag naman bumagyo ngayong Kapaskuhan, sir.
Oh, wag naman.
Uulan na eh.
Daming magagandang display sa labas. At,
Oo nga pala.
diba, kawawa naman yung...
COD.
actually, nung araw, no? Buhay ang bola, oh. Deep
Huli.
pass, huli ka. Namukat ka. Behind the back. Guriba. Taas ng pasa. Nice sidestepping motion. Hindi lang pumasok. Here comes Ramos. Speeding.
Ganda ng pass.
Los Testicas set up cleanly. Hindi lang tumama. Basalio unable to get to it.
Whoop.
Ramirez.
I thought it could have been an offensive foul.
Nga, actually. "51 seconds to go. Chico Lanete wants some control. Sumayans back on the floor.
Pag bagong coach ka, sir, at ganyan nangyari, minsan gusto mong pumasok.
Talaga. Isik. Parang so far, isa pa lang sa buhay ko ang nakikita kong playing coach sa volleyball.
Sino, sir?
A long time ago. But one pa lang nakikita ko. Mahirap siguro, no?
Wala namang madali na playing coach.
Mahirap yun. Samantala, sumayan. Shot clock down to 11. Post play. Reyes. Yes. And a foul. That will be 3. That will be 3 on Curador.
And not too many players can do that to Curador. But look at that big side seal. Perfect. And then the turn and the catch, extracting that foul for a bonus play. Ayos si Reyes. Ano na ba si Reyes? Halos 10 na ito. 8 na.
Saka, alam mong inside player, yung laro niya.
Laki.
I'm sure hindi siya ganyan kalaki dati.
Agent Chested, sir, eh.
Nakita kong pangalan yung binanggit ni Reyna kanina. Pridas, ano?
Andyan, sir, anak ni Danny Pridas.
Anak ka na, no? Sigurado ka dyan, ha?
Na-report na ni Reyna yan, sir.
Tinatanong ko lang kung sigurado ka this time.
Saan sagot doon, sir? Hindi.
Buti pa yun, eh. Red tayo.
Ano kaya yun?
Forever ng Isos Lobo sa history ng UNTV Cup. Feeling Danny Florencio. Sabi ng mga baget, sino yun? Ay, Google nyo. Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Wow. We'll be right back. Okay, handa na po ang lahat para sa second half of play. Umarangkada ang upunan ng Comelec no second quarter. They outscored NHA 22-17. Nasaan si Rina? Go, Rina.
Yes, let's talk about these two teams. For the Comelec, minor adjustment lang para dun sa kanilang man-to-man. Hindi kasi nagmamatch dito yung big guys nila sa bigs ng kalaban nila. So far, itong man-to-man nila has been working out for the team compared to the 1-2-2 that they executed on the first quarter. So ito lang naman yung pinagtuunan nila ng pansin inside the dugout. Meanwhile, for the NHA Home Masters, it's all about consistency for the team. On this game, mas nakita ni Coach Chico Llanete yung tiwala ng kanyang kupunan sa kanyang sistema. Kaya naman masayang-masaya siya nagbibigay ng kanyang mga reminders. Lahat ng pinapagawa niya halos nagagawa ng kanyang kupunan. Although kailangan lang talaga nila dito is mas basahin pa yung mga tendencies ng mga kalaban nila at maging matalino sa paglaro dito. They have to carry out with a good energy they started on the first half and bring it out here on the second half para naman makuha nila ang first win nila for this game. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Reyna Villamor. In the meantime, Comelec with a patient execution cuts it down to 1.
Excellent passing on the part of the white shirts until they found the most open teammate, lead down to 1 for mahayok over 10 points. Nahawak na kalamangan ng Woodmasters kaninang first quarter.
Dizon starts his attack, loses the ball actually. Rosario picks it up in the corner, long cross-court pass, launch. Oh, halfway in for Clemente and it decided to zap out at the last moment. Namokatkat sends it inside, blocked by Mercado. No way, you're gonna score on me, he tells Ungria.
Perfect ambush coming from Mercado.
Basalio, nice up fake, got the angle he wanted.
Corridor beaten by Basalio. Good footwork by Basalio.
Kailangan tumama sa labas ang Comelec eh. Masyado rin malaki itong NHA. They try it inside, no, Mercado. It has a hand on it. Lustestiga runs with it. Dizon and Lustestiga, they've been together for quite a while now. Mercado spinning. Long cross court looking for Antonio. Antonio launches.
Tough shot.
Naku. With somebody in his face. Here comes the attack. Morilla has no numbers. Namokatkat has ideas. Where are we going? Isik. Ayaw. Ungria outside to Namokatkat. Hindi naabutan ni Mercado. And the rebound is claimed by Lustestiga.
Good transition defense para sa Home Masters, completing the defensive stop.
Basalio, touch pass. Dizon lost it. Regained it. Mercado shoves them away. That'll count. That'll count.
Mercado is a different player in this match.
He did not start today, huh?
4 of 7 has given them that inside presence offensively.
I think that's also a good way to preserve him, eh? Let him come up to me. He has a tendency to commit early fouls.
Iba yung kombinasyon na ginagamit dito ni Coach Chico eh. Na sinasabay-sabay niya yung dati magkaka-teammate. Tapos yung mga bago, yun din ang kinukombo niya. (42-37). Moralia directing operations, setting the table, quick turnaround, yes! Namokatkat. That's a gifted big man.
Oh, sobra. Lambot.
Observe.
Ang lambot ng kamay. Oh, huli ka. Uy, natawagan si Lustestiga.
That was just like an action scene.
Guriba is back on the floor. They need his energy, actually. 42-39. Time remaining is 7 minutes. He's leading yung clock sa taas, ano, yung 9:57. Parang hindi gumagalaw yung 9:57 na yan.
Ano yan, sir? We will move to a different gate for the takeoff. Di ba nakapila ka ron? Tagal, di ba, sir, no?
Nakainis, tas departure, flight so-and-so for Dallas. Now, in Terminal 3, kainis.
Magtingin mo.
Saan yun? kailangan kaya hindi pwede nun yung foreign travel. Hindi pwede sabay-sabay matutulog. Kailangan isang may gising eh. Ito. May announcement tayo. Parang take foul eh. Again, the time remaining 7 minutes.
Pushing foul on
It's an ordinary foul.
Don Lustestica. That's his second personal foul.
Lustestica will now have his second first team foul. Tama ito. Wala naman attempts eh. Ano na yan ang problema?
Number 6, Jello Morilla for faking a foul.
Ha? Flapping, sir?
Warning lang naman. Parehong number 6 kasi. Ang sitwasyon na yan eh. So let's get back to play. Here we go. Shot clock of 20. Into the post we go. Hungria shopping around. Here's the Mukatkat. Fall away by the big man. Knocks it down.
Iba talaga, sir, gumalaw.
Smooth. And the Mukatkat already with 9. Counter. Lustestica knocks in a triple.
Good reply coming from the former MVP. That's the Mukatkat. Nonchalant 3 ball.
Hey. Shootout happening here in the third quarter. 1-point game.
Just like that, the Mukatkat has 12 points on just 9 attempts.
He's just decided to take over this game. To the mid-post area, to Mercado. Double team attracted. Ball is stolen from behind. Chance now for the Comelec to gain the upper hand. Guriba decides against it. Namukatkat really good. And there's a foul. It'll go against the Comelec.
Looks like a perimeter player, really.
Sobra, no?
His second personal.
Namukatkat is whistled for the foul. He's second.
Very strong for his small forward spot. Very quick. Wants to move him to the power forward position.
Iboy Mayang is back on the hard court. He's a good guard who moves fast but stays in control. Lustestica lobs. Mercado. They're waiting for his next move. Antonio misses. Ball is loose. Here's Murillo picking it up. Namukatkat crossover. Does not force the issue. Outside to Murillo. Oh! And Guriba, such a high percentage. He has 12 points, 6 of 7 from the field.
Or equivalent to about 86%. Suddenly, they are ahead by a solitary point. Tama ka nga, sir. 9-57 and 9-57.
Oh, kasi di ba tumitingin tayo sa score eh. Kaso hindi gumagalaw, baka nga may diferensya. Ito yata si chairman yata ito.
Yes, yes. Sipag manood ni sir.
Anything to get out of the office really, honestly.
Ako, sir, dati anything to get out of the classroom. Utusan ako, okay.
Kahit nung high school?
Kahit nung grade school. Uy.
Ganda, hindi lang pumasok. Rebound, Hungria snatches it away. What a pass by Namukatkat and Morilla with a basket. And the Comelec re-energized in the third. And siguro yung pagdating ni Comelec Chairman George Erwin Garcia has ignited them. Andiyan si Boss. Pagbutihan natin.
Hi, sir!
Babalik po tayo after this.
Tingnan nyo, dito kayo mag-stop. Bigay. Bigay nyo, okay? Pag hindi naman, pag nag-fight over, pag ito, pwede nyo bigay ito. Pag wala, mamimili yung one kung saan dadaan. Pag saan dito dumaan, stay, screen, pwede dito, tapos down screen. Okay,
Pag naibigay ko dito, coach, paano na galaw namin yung league?
pwede itira, pero pag hindi nakatira, pwede mo ball screen. Tapos away to dito yung okay? So, tama naman.
The NHA had a grip on the lead, but red hot 13-7 scoring blitz by the Comelec has ignited their game. They're in the lead now, 48-45. The NHA, keep in mind, still searching for their first win in 4 starts. Basalio has to make a decision quick. He decides to shoot. Hungria has been powerful off the board.
Very powerful. I like that shot by Basalio. Good shot.
Oh, walang mapasahan.
Ayos, saka maayos na tira.
Tama din niya.
Depensa ang kailangan nilang pag-igtingin.
Guriba fires. A rare miss.
Aray.
Sabit. Sumayang.
Wala pa, sir, eh.
Tawagan ng warning for picking a foul.
Making or picking?
Well, either the toe will do, huh? In the meantime, Namukatkat, one of the engineers of this third. Red hot! Comelec coming to life with Isik.
Easily one of the top best players that we have here this season 11.
16-7 run.
Ang daming out of the office ngayon, ah.
Namukatkat. Oh! Tres! Oh, yes!
Simple lang ito, sir. Diretso na sa buffet o diretso na sa merienda.
O Christmas party na mamaya.
Baka nga, no, sir, no?
Baka nga.
Kami kahapon, sir, eh.
Sinong kami?
Ako.
In the meantime, Morelia.
This is a tough matchup, really, because of the quickness and the Namukatkat factor and the Hungria presence.
Nabuhayan yung laro nila, eh.
Ganito ang laro talaga niyan, sir, eh. Run and gun, pero meron sa half court. Kasi may mga shooters at may pupuntahan sa loob. But the good thing about it is that even without Corredor, they're able to dominate this match.
That's a good point.
Agaw?
Still, Morelia has been all over this floor. What a pass! What a pass!
Defense slowed down a bit. And that was his trigger to execute that across the half court cross-court pass.
Diagonal, no?
Di nakareact ang depensa.
And the lead is 11.
Unbelievable. 38-35, start of the third.
Yeah.
That time, 21 against 7.
Baseline salvo. Nowhere to go. Lost again. Morelia attacking. Guriba. They have been traveling. They call it traveling.
Natisod. Oo. Mapa Esitex. Mapa T-Plex. Mapa NLEX.
And when he watches the video, he'll
Ang
realize
gandang pasa niyan. Ang ganda niyan. Ayun, hindi nakareact. Meron sa Cebu, sir, ako nakita. CC Lex.
Meron nga.
Ang ganda. Ang haba ng tulan.
Pero ma-traffic na, no? Traffic
Talo ang Manila, sir.
No, may congestion from the airport na rin.
Talo ang Manila.
Both bridges, ha?
A 20-minute drive took us an hour and a half.
Wow. What a tear! What a run!
What a team!
Comelec getting all the votes counted in. 58-45. Watch this run. Hungria is such a factor. And the willingness to share the ball, creating this gap. Timeout. Back in a moment.
Wala na eh. Nawala yung momentum natin nung first half eh. Ang gusto natin mangyari kasi, gusto natin umiscore. Gusto natin tayo magpahabol. Hindi ganun. Execute plays muna.
Pwede ba itawag yung horns?
Di na alam yung mga iba.
Let's go!
competition for Group B continues here in the UNTV Sports and Charity Tournament. Boy, what an if you were to describe this is an avalanche of points, 23-7. Just so much.
Not just a major uprising, but an ambush.
Torrents, tsunami.
Ano tawag dito, sir? ICTCZ.
Ano yan?
Intertropical
Convergence.
Yeah.
And Manila Bay will be not slide. Si Rina ang nag-news sa atin. Malamang kaya.
Nag-weather kaya si Rina?
Alam ko.
Paturo-turo din ba yan doon sa green screen? Mahirap yan na rin, no? Nag-try ako dati sa news, sir. Ang ganda. Yung percentage, lagay ko sa pangalan. Ayaw ko na bumalik.
Yan ang hindi ko kaya.
Hirapan ako, sir, yung teleprompter na ano.
Yan. Yung teleprompter.
Mababa.
Nadali yung teleprompter. Saka ano yan, hindi pa nila alam yung rhythm mo eh. Pag alam na nila yung rhythm mo.
Sir, ang ganda.
Nung araw.
Ganda na rin.
Nung araw, kami ni Kuya Daniel, ano yan ha, manual yan. Manual yan. Tapos yung kamay mo, tapos lalagyan po ng mga drawing ng mga nangaasar sa'yo. Eh si Kuya Daniel, lagi seryoso. Nilalagyan namin ng mga picture ng mga nakahinte. Ngiti ka, Daniel! Alam mo naman kung ngumiti si Kuya, ang tipid-tipid eh. Pinati-ngiti namin ng pagkalaki-laki yan. Here's Mercado.
Oh!
Namukat-kat. Guriba, what will he do?
2 free throws on that miss by Guriba. And of out.
Umihingi po siya ng
Saka naka-long back ang buhok, sir. Eh.
Oo.
Nabot ko yan.
Long back, ha?
Long back ang shirt. Long back ang buhok. Step out of the room, sabi ng teacher.
Ay, ang hirap pa. Saan yan? Sa UP? Ang hirap pa sa UP.
Sa San Beda yun, sir, kasi may ROTC.
Saka may haircut rule noon ng high school, eh, no?
Sa UP, sir, exempted na ako ron.
Sa UP noon, pag sinend out ka ng teacher sa faculty center, at saka gabi yung klase mo, good luck sa'yo.
Laman ako ng FC, eh.
Ang dilim pag gabi, no?
Pero yun lang ang chance ako makiusap, sir.
Ano yun, after practice pa?
Before. Pag after, sir, wala nang tao yun. Kami nilang naiiwan sa campus. Eh. Minsan nakakahiya din.
Namukat-kat triggered this uprising.
That'll be short.
But he was running out of shooting time.
Pagod na rin yan, sir.
Oo naman. Here's Ramos. Zips it inside. Reyes is underneath. He is bothered.
Nice. Rejection coming from Curador.
Hirap talagang big men tumayo. Pag nasa.
Hindi lang big men, sir.
Bagay ako, pagka yung may hahanapin sa ilalim ng kama sa umaga, sabi ng misis ko, hanapin mo sa ilalim. Tagal nun bago tumayo.
Bakit naman kasi doon pagugulong? Ito yan, sir, eh. Paperclip. Nail cutter.
Makeup.
Buti wala nang thumbtacks yun.
58, 51.
Wow.
Ang ganda ng pasa. Hindi lang na-convert. Mercado fighting hard. Oh, you're stepping on the line. Good call.
That was Morilla forcing that turnover.
Good call. She was right on top of the
By
play.
Ashley.
Alam mo, officiating not just authority, it's position eh.
Totoo yan. Kaya conditioning is a factor.
Kailangan unahan mo yung play eh. Namukat-kat, thinking. May have been fouled by Dizon. It's on the ground. Dizon will pick it up. We're out of time. Ooh. If Antonio just knew it, he would have released earlier, huh? But the damage has been done, Ronnie.
Oh, no doubt. And the damage is to the tune of 23-13.
And the final payoff period is underway. Ano kailangan gawin ng NHA, Ronnie, to get back in the groove of things?
Bumaba sa depensa, higpitan ang transition defense ng unang-una to make the necessary defensive stops and big defensive plays.
So, sobrang energy ng Comelec, no? Tumaas eh.
Masyadong malaki yung run eh.
Oh.
Kung hindi lang nagtapon at tumila yung Kayod, baka naiwanan na to ng mas malaki. 10
points ang diferensya sa output. Anong gusto mong sabihin ko?
Si Miss Rinay, malapit na kay Comelec chairman.
Ayan, sandali lang, Rina. Mag-antay ka dyan. Hindi ka pa, wala pa yung candidacy mo, hindi pa file.
COC.
Let's go to Rina.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, kasama po natin ngayon Comelec Chairman George Erwin Garcia. It's nice to see you once again. We miss you here in the games. Kamusta po kayo, Chairman?
Magandang hapon, Ma'am Rina, sa mga kasambahay natin. Magandang hapon. Maraming salamat. Dami ginagawa, busy.
Kamusta na po ang paghahanda ngayon ng Comelec when it comes to the elections by May po?
Siyempre, mahigit 100, more or less 140 days na lang election na, and therefore, nandun kami sa peak ng ating paghahanda. Tatandaan natin, ang susunod na taon, super election year. Meron tayong national and local elections, kasabay ang Bangsamoro parliamentary elections, at siyempre, yung barangay and SK elections na naman, 5 buwan pagkatapos ng Mayo 12 na national and local elections. So, napakadami namin ginagawa. Kinakailangan bawat araw, meron kaming timeline na sinusunod.
Chairman, we have this new machine na gagamitin po natin. Ito po yung Fast Tracker. Tell us more about this new machine po of the Comelec.
Sasagutin namin yung katanungan ng sambayanan na bilang ba ang boto ko. But siyempre, we will ensure greater transparency. Hindi naman siya bagong sistema, bagong makina lang. Improved version, and siyempre, madami kaming nilagay na feature para lang masigurado na makukontento ang sambayanan. At the same time, magiging credible at katanggap-tanggap ang resulta.
Okay, so at this point po, December, ilang buwan na lang po mag-e-election na po tayo. Gaano po kahanda na po ang Comelec on that election?
Sabihin na natin mga 85 to 90%. Hindi pa kami 100% na prepared. Madami pa kaming dapat gawin, lalo-lalo na ang training ng mga teachers na gagamitin natin ng electoral board members. At the same time, sinusubukan, tinetest pa rin natin ang machine sa iba't ibang parte ng ating bansa. From December 2 to January 30, nagkaroon tayo ng rollout ng machine sa buong bansa. At sana yung mga kababayan natin sa bawat barangay, kahit sa pinakasulok ng barangay, ay mag-participate sila. Matuto sila kung paano gamitin ang makina, ma-familiarize nila ang sarili nila dito sa ating bagong sistema.
Maiba naman po tayo ng usapan. Basketball naman po tayo. Ano po yung nakikita nyo dito? Nape-pressure po ba ang Comelec dahil sa presence nyo ngayon? Ang ganda po ng performance nila on this game.
Pero sobra kami pressured sa sobrang gagaling kasi nung iba't ibang teams. Alam nyo, habang tumatagal talaga itong UNTV Cup ni Kuya Daniel, kakaiba. Iba ang level nito, and therefore, dapat din kami, katulad ng Comelec, nagle-level up at nagte-train ng sobra para lang kahit paano hindi naman nakakaya doon sa ibang teams.
Are you confident na malayo po ang mararating ng Comelec ngayon? 3-1 na po ang inyong win-loss record. Isa pa lamang po ang inyong talo.
Ang sa amin naman, hindi naman yung victory. Yung victory, ano na lang yan eh. Sabihin na natin na bonus. Ang importante yung camaraderie that we are developing between and among doon sa mga ibang players ng other government. Yun naman talaga, or government agencies, yun naman talaga ang unang focus ni Kuya Daniel nung makakonceptualize niya itong UNTV Cup. But at the same time, medyo maganda-ganda naman siguro ngayon yung aming performance at saka yung pag-asa namin, hopefully.
And last na po ang inyong mensahe po dito sa atin sa UNTV Cup Games plus sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa Comelec po.
Ipagpatuloy lang po natin ang pagsuporta sa UNTV Cup at ang paniniwala nyo sa Commission on Elections. Sisiguraduhin po namin na mapagkakatiwalaan yung inyong komisyon sapagkat sa bandang huli, ang lahat ng nai-enjoy natin na ito dahil sa ating demokrasya. Ipagpatuloy ang demokrasya ng ating bansa sa pamamagitan ng balota.
Maraming salamat po, Comelec Chairman George Erwin Garcia. Balik sa inyo, Sir Steph, Coach Ronnie.
Tatakbo na po si Ronnie Magsanok sa susunod na eleksyon. Sa linaw ho ng paglalahad at pagpapaliwanag ni Chairman George Garcia. Grabe. Naintindihan mo ngayon, ha?
I would like to file...
File what?
Leave of absence.
Okay. 58-53.
Can I?
Ang ganda ng pagpaliwanag ni Chairman. Ano?
Paliwanag siya. Naintindihan ko. Super election year. We will support the program, Chairman.
Mercado cleans up the mess downstairs.
Gising.
Alam mo, election, napakagas. Isipin mo, you cannot do a national run-through, ha?
Wala, sir.
Wala.
Wala.
Ano yun? At saka crisis management yan. From all the way to the finish yan. In the meantime, Ramirez dragging everybody inside with that foray. And it'll stay there.
Better believe it.
Challenge.
Home Masters.
Challenge.
Intent on turning things around. Suddenly, they're only behind by 3.
Head coach's challenge by the NHA Home Masters for the last out of bounds play.
Alam mo, kasi sense ni Chico, momentum shift ito eh. Pero basahin mo yung nangyari nung third quarter. Namukatkat and others really engineered that resurgence.
Pero dun sa dulo kasi, sir, tuloy-tuloy yung sablay nila eh. At nabutasan din sila sa kabila. Marvin Mercado has been a man on a mission dito sa ating larong ito.
Sa final quarter, talaga.
The head coach's challenge by the NHA Home Masters was unsuccessful.
Hindi successful yung challenge.
Unsuccessful.
Not successful. Unsuccessful is the same as not successful.
Hindi ko narinig, sir, si EJ.
Ikaw eh.
Hindi pa niya ginagaral. Wala pa
kasi, nagpapalalim pa ng boses muna kasi. Shot clock problem.
Yes, there is a problem right now. That defense has held fort para sa Home Masters.
Time, 6:59. Inbound problem. Chen getting it over to Sumayang, and he'll try to get it across. That's technical. Yes. Yes, sir, if there ever was one. Can't do that. That's flopping. Ooh. You know, when you're pursuing, you need every point, huh? And they missed that free throw. Some subs checking in. Distancia will sit down. Isik will return. Isik also one of the architects of that comeback in the third. Isik with 8. Guriba with 12. Namukatkat leading the pack with 15. Sumayang dancing with Isik. Mercado. Oh, Namukatkat trying to get him from the blind side. Dishing inside. The pass is taken away. Here's Murillo slowing it down. Namukatkat probes inside. To the wing we go. Isik, 3. Oh, yes, sir!
That's a shot in the arm if I've ever seen one. Giving them more breathing room, diffusing the tension, posting a 6-point lead once more.
They have a lot of players who are energy players, eh.
Ensayado rin, sir, kahit paano.
Oh, look, Mercado guilty of the offensive foul. He dug it in.
The chicken wing was...
The what?
Too hard. Chicken wing, sir.
I've eaten too much of that this December.
This one, sir. Uno, dos, tres. That one. Cuatro.
Sesame Street.
Mas busy ako, sir, eh.
Uno.
Taro ko si Naya.
Dos, tres, cuatro.
Hindi, uuwi sa kanila yung apo ko, sir.
Sandali. Oy, offensive foul.
Uy. Number 4 for player number 5.
Layo pa to, ha. 5:57 to go.
Physical din kasi maglaro ang Comelec, eh. Brusco.
Pero hindi sila nagpa-foul unnecessary.
Yes.
At yung marami tayong team dito,
well-coached ito, sir.
Ang defensive movement nila, nagpa-foul sila, eh.
Ako yun.
Not counted ka. Oh, good move. Classic Marvin Mercado.
Oh, that's a mistake on the part of Curador.
Yeah, he opened the door.
Sobra.
Libre, Isik. Oh, halfway in.
Set shot, no, sir, no? Ala Jun Papa.
At saka hindi formado, hindi squalado. Parang Jun Papa nga. No? Yun, ano yun?
Dead shot, sir.
Oh, sobra. Huwag mong bibitawan.
Jimmy Mariano, sir, Jun Papa.
Jun Papa.
Dead shot na.
Kasi Mariano magaling sa kanto.
Ang galing na siya doon. Kanto.
So, kung meron ng tres nung araw, si Mariano would have had more points. So, look at this! Action in count!
The delivery was tough, but the finish, even tougher.
First game pa lang ho ito, ha?
Look at the pass.
On Wednesday here at the Amoranto Arena.
Sobrang lapad at lakas ni Curador for Basalio.
Free throw, delivered. 64-57. A 7-point lead, but nonetheless not the safest. Sumayang will bring it up. Mercado, they're going to him almost exclusively here. Marvin, deep under the seat, trapped. Reyes puts it up and in.
In the nick of time. Timeout here for Comelec.
Reyes with a double-digit game of 15 points, as well as 7 boards. Watch this. This is how Manila traffic is beaten. Back in a moment.
Pre, pahinga lang kayo. Pre, yung depensa natin, man-to-man. Regardless kung anong mangyari, mag-help tayo sa malaki pag yung bola nandun. Okay, pero pag yung bola nandito, huwag kayong help kasi ma-open yung corner natin. Ha? Okay, laban na tayo. Pahinga kayo, hinga lang kayo.
Kasi sila, lagi sila nasa post.
Sa opposite yun eh. Kaya po, yung big man nila pag nag-post para umikot, yung opposite. One, two, three!
As we return to the floor, the count is 64-59. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in the decisive fourth. I was asking Ronnie Magsanok during the break, sino lang, Ronnie, ang tumalo sa Comelec so far?
Partial and factual and official.
Official na yan.
Official. SSS 107-87 last December 1st.
Aurelius, shot, no.
Wide open.
And a bit of the door left ajar.
Saka may momentum.
Yes, actually. Basalio considered it. But Reyes with a big screen. Basalio will dance on the baseline. Gets chewed up. Baseball pitch. Sumayang intercepts. Basalio thought about it. But he's not the outside shooter.
2 free throws coming up.
I think he should try shooting it, ano?
Meron naman yan, pero naninigurado lang.
Oo. Siguro dahil doon sa context ng laro, ano?
Yes.
Kasi kung first quarter yun, pinakawalan siguro.
Pwede. Oo, pwede sir.
Pero ako, may tiwala ako kay Basalio. Kasi nung sa PTIC dati,
meron yan.
May tira yan eh. Nagpapapadyak sa sideline si Vicky Icasiano pagka kaka-score yan eh. O, tingnan mo. May kamay eh, oh. Dalawang free throw, linis eh. 3-point game. Anybody's ball game. Comelec not out of the fire here.
Leading a basket.
Libre Isik. Yes! No! Yes! Ano ba? Morelia. Ako naman! Ayaw! Curador will send it out.
Pwede ko naman sabihin yung good pass, sir?
Sige, sabihin mo. Baka sakaling ma-shoot na eh. Ayan. Good pass. Morelia with a behind-the-back dribble. Namukagkat! No! Walang rebound ng NHA. Gagaling si Chico Lanete. Possession issue. Down the middle. No! And it's an offensive foul.
That'll be 2 free throws. I'll take the misses, but not the foul.
And out of sheer fatigue, at lack of better positioning, NHA couldn't get the ball.
But they will be rewarded with 2 free throws.
Chico Lanete was shouting at the top of his lungs to box out. But there was nobody to box out, actually. Vasallo hit 2 free throws earlier.
Just like the shot of Isik. That was almost in, but decided to go out.
Yeah. First miss of Vasallo after hitting those 2 charities earlier. He has 4 points in the game. Second in the offing. Better shot. 2-point affair.
What a game.
What a game. Una pa lang to.
Double-digit lead for both of these teams against each other.
And they're all gone.
In 6 minutes.
Ongria. Corredor could not find the ball. He was surprised. He thought Ongria would go for the basket already. Lustig. Here's a wide open Vasallo. He'll take a crack at it, but no, won't bite. Down on the floor we go. We push. Isik. No, but he'll go shoot free throws.
So fun to watch. They go all out every time.
Layo na tinakbo ni Vasallo to pursue that. From one end to the next. Mukhang may turor na ako nakikita.
I can smell the langka.
You can see it?
Yes, sir. They're walking with a lot.
Yeah.
The turon patrol.
The problems will now start with the technical coming up right now. Oh! Pressure-laden free throw delivered. Alam mo, pagka UAAP, yung mga missed free throws, I understand those completely.
What do you mean, sir?
When you're young, di ba, and the pressure, I understand that. You're a little older, at least 1 of 2 dapat, di ba? Of course, you want 2 of 2. But at least 1 of 2 palagi.
No problem, sir.
Yeah. With you, no problem. I actually take a break when you shoot free throws tomorrow. Look at that. Mercado.
Alam mo, sir, the reality is this is an elimination game already para sa NSA. Natalo, halos goodbye.
Hanging on to life, eh, na? For dear life, actually. Last 2. Can't buy a basket. They tap it to teammates. Downstairs, Ongria in a crowd, smothered
by Mercado. That's a defensive play from M&M.
When he presses that defensive by the foul,
foul by Isik. Overexcited, really.
Parang ito so tempting, eh, no?
Pag di sila makashoot, na-excite sila. And it leads to defensive breakdowns on the other end. And that's not them.
Good shooting form by Sumayang. Knocks in the first one. Sumayang has 3 points. Has now 4 points. We're tied at 66. Anybody's ball game with 1.5 remaining. You're right, both teams have tasted double-digit leads, but those are things of the UNTV past already. Namukatkat with a careless pass. And a steal. Downstairs we go behind the back. Turn around. Yes!
Good teamwork between Namukatkat. Was that Isik?
I think so. Less than a minute
to win it.
Oh, actually. Libre. Tres. Air ball.
They will still run?
Isik. They don't want to waste time. They waste it, however.
Why run? He lost the shoe, sir.
Yeah. He's not worried about that right now.
That's a 3-second violation.
You keep counting. Sumayang. No. It's a possession review.
After the review, ball possession goes to the Comelec Vanguards.
Vanguards will obtain the possession.
And shot clock and game clock differential is just about 4.5 seconds.
They're going to inbound from way back there, actually. Okay. Time out.
Listen. Mag-ingat na sa pag-pick, ha? Ingat na sa pag-pick, tinatawagan kayong pick. Tapos, no cross pass, ha? No cross pass sa malapit lang.
Kailangan natin nito. Ganito, gumagana yung tree natin, tawag niyo yung tree nyo, tawag nyo lang. Now,
nagtawag sila, screen na lang.
Okay lang yun, tawag yung tree. Ano yung WhatsApp, pero ganito gawin nyo. Ubusin nyo yung oras, huwag yung kainin kagad. Huwag yung kainin kagad.
Pag-ikot, sa akin, ha? Gagamit isang play. Ay, ikaw na.
Hey, namu. Down.
Dito tayo.
Dito tayo. 14. Patol sila.
Saan ang inbound?
Sige, 28, 24 eh. 24, walang play. Hanggang lang tayo.
24 yan.
Tanggap papal sila, papal.
Okay, each side is left with a timeout to call. Time down to 28.5. Shot clock differential of 4 seconds. 2-point lead by the Vanguards. That's a foul by Reyes.
That's the 14th foul para sa Home Masters. Pero hindi pa na sir eh. Diba? Hindi pa na inbound. May foul away from...
Actually.
Let's see. So intentional foul, sir.
Yes.
Yan din yung mga paborito ko, sir.
Alin?
Yung mga ganyan.
Yung off the inbound.
Pero ito walang binigay, sir.
Walang binigay.
So yung gusto kasi alam ko, pa-foul na sila eh.
Kaya alam mo yung backcourt.
Gusto ko yan, sir.
Ako namimiss ko yung 3 to make 2.
Natatagalan ako dun.
Yun lang.
Oh my.
Problemado. They take the ball. 18 seconds and a counter steal.
Why pass the ball there? Can hold on to the basketball, yes. This is still not done. And their natural tendency is to go forward. Kasi attack team eh.
They no other way.
Not yet. Oh.
Ano yan eh? That comes with experience eh.
Correct.
Diba?
Timeouts na.
Tigisa nga. Ito Ron, yeah? You need just 1. See? Then you miss 2. It's a different ball game. Chairman looking on. You know, you just need 1.
Sabi nga ni Chairman crisis management.
Yep. No matter how much you prepare for crisis management, you still have to be alert. Lakas.
Under 10.
Aurelio missing 2 free throws. Sumayang. And they lost it. Ball control continues to be a problem. Wala nang bumaba. And that'll be a big win for the Comelec.
Indeed. A big one. Helter-skelter basketball. In the last few possessions. Missed free throws. Back tips. All those things saved the day.
And I'm sure we'll see the team standings there. This is precarious. Almost close to the elimination for the NHL.
Correct. And Comelec will move itself probably to a spot already in the quarterfinals.
I'm sure.
With this impressive win, while NHA closer to extinction. But let's see, as they still have games to be played in their group.
Segue mo na sa best play para ipasa mo na
meron tayong ibang pagbibigyan, sir, kundi si Joel Lamukadkad at si Speedster Isik.